Welcome to CordenPharma, a global CDMO partner supporting biotech and pharma innovators of complex modalities in the advancement of their drug development lifecycle. In a competitive industry where excellence is the standard, we stand out. Our team is not just a team, we are a family where we foster our skills and collaboration, driven by a passion for innovation and quality. With a focus on excellence, we manage every aspect of the process, from raw materials to documentation. We are looking for individuals in different roles within the production area, with a strong background in the pharmaceutical industry and with a great knowledge of the production processes. Are you a problem-solving person and a team player, committed to quality who can think outside the box? Then, CordenPharma might be the right place for you. We are masters of GMP, and we are dedicated to achieving operational excellence, not only for our customers, but also for the well-being of patients. Join us at CordenPharma, a company that values talent, effort, and dedication.